Hey, guys, what's up? It's your girl, Georgette. Welcome. Is it your first time visiting? Oh, thank you for visiting. And after watching the video, not before, please smash the subscribe in for your girl. Yes. And put your notifications on because I bring a video every day to inspire you. Where's my water? And to motivate you. Yes, so guys, today I'm talking about how to find your passion and your purpose. It's a juicy one today. I have notes all around. I don't want you to miss anything. So stay tuned. I have a lot of stuff written down around. It's a lot of information. How do you find your passion and your purpose? We all have asked that. I have asked that. I have sat down and I've said, how do I find my purpose? How do I find passion? What am I passionate about? What was I born for? I could remember asking myself at one point, I sat down, I got tired of doing the same old thing. And I said, oh my God, what was I created for? Why am I on earth? That's a question we all have asked. And that's a scary question, If you think about it, when you sit down and you think, I am passionate about so many things. And for me, I looked around, I said, I love people. I've always said I'm an extrovert. I love entertainment. Then my business was an entertainment. Kiddie treats, parties, weddings, event planner, fitness trainer, personal trainer. I love helping people and to see people get in shape, especially my females. The last lady I worked with before the pandemic started, it's the year of the pandemic, guys. Whenever you're watching my video, it's December 2020. And the last lady I met, she was so motivated. She was dedicated and she was very disciplined. She listened to me and she lost a lot of weight. So for me, when I sat down and I really just thought, Georgette, what is it you're passionate about? I said, I'm passionate about a lot of stuff. But I'm going to break it down. I took a lot of notes as I was writing and I was preparing to bring you guys this amazing video that I know you're going to love, that's going to reach millions of people. I don't just bring a video. I want to make sure I'm giving you guys a lot of value and substance. So as I'm thinking about it, I'm going through my journey. It's a scary thing when you really don't know why you're here. But I'm going to tell you how to figure out what your passion and purpose is. What you were born to do. You will get a little insight of how to figure it out a bit better, because I did. As I read and as I watch blogs and videos on YouTube and listen to audiobooks, and as I started my journey at the end of December 2019, I came into my purpose. And so I want to help you guys to figure out and detect what your purpose and your passion is in life. The first thing that I had to do, and that I'm going to tell you, give you some little tips and tricks and whatever it is you can take away from it. I want to break it down. When we were kids, we're things that excites us and your eyes lit up. Woo! You ever see kids when they go in the toy store? I used to live in the toy store with my two girls, bought the latest toys. That's it as an adult. What strike a bit of curiosity to you and say, I'd like to learn more about it? That's where you're starting to develop passion about something. It's curiosity. So what I have learned, even in my own journey, what are you curious about? What excites you? What are you willing to read on to gain more knowledge? Oh my gosh, that is so interesting. I'd like to learn more about that. Wow, that looks like something I can do. Yeah. The first thing, because you're not going to know. Sometimes you have no passion. You could say, I don't have any passion about anything. Or like me, I've been passionate about doing so many things. I had my hand dabbling in so many different businesses and things. But the very thing that when you fall down and you bruise your knee or when it doesn't work, it excites you so much that you get up again and willing to go ahead and take another course, willing to go ahead and listen to a blog, listen to a YouTube video, listen to a motivation about that very thing. So you have to really start to now think. And you don't have to go too deep, because we know what excites us. Is it playing the piano? You just love the sound of piano. I used to play piano. I used to take lessons on playing the piano. Do you just love to listen to the sound of piano? Do you sing? Do you love to sing? But you think that you don't have a nice voice. I used to think I could sing too. Then perhaps go and get some coaching, some voice coaching. But what it is that excites you, what it is that builds curiosity, that you're curious about, that's passion. That's where passion lies. So first detect that and start to think about that, okay? Your passion also has to serve a purpose in the world to become a purpose. You want me to say that again? All righty. So when I read this or I listened to this on a vlog, I said, okay, I have to take notes on this. Whatever it is that you're passionate about has to have some sort of purpose in the world for it to become a purpose. That's big. Yeah. So that's where I'm going to leave passion now. And I'm now going to go into compassion. And I love this part. Okay? So that's how you detect your passion. Whatever excites you, whatever ignites curiosity, strike a bit of curiosity. You see it on the television, you see it on a YouTube video, a vlog, you read it in a book, and you're like, ooh, that's it. That's it right there. And then you gonna research that thing, read up more about it, listen to more vlogs. I listen to so many vlogs on mindset and all because that excites me. And then it must serve a purpose in the world for it to be a purpose. Yes? Let's go into compassion now. And I wrote down about compassion. Compassion is when it is your pain. If you're an addict or now a recovering addict, drug, if you have been abused as a wife or a husband, if you've been neglected as a child by your parents, been given away, compassion now is where you want to use that deep hurt, that pain to help others, because you don't want others now to go in the same direction. And now your compassion really is where passion lies and purpose lies, because sometimes you don't even know what you're passionate about, but through compassion you find your passion. And through passion, because you're now helping others, it becomes a purpose. Because remember what I said in the first part about passion, it has to serve a purpose in the world for it to become purpose. Compassion, sometimes you have to go through compassion to find your passion that in return becomes your purpose. That is powerful, guys. When I read that and when I listened to a vlog, I went to research. I said, I have to bring you this today. This is powerful for me as well, because I didn't know what my passion was. I didn't know what my purpose was. I had so many. Like I said to you earlier, I am passionate about so many things. I love people. I love helping people. I really do. I love talking. My baby girl, when she goes to the grocery store before coronavirus, because now people are distant and people are wearing masks. But before then, mommy. If I would hear someone, hey, sugar, how you doing? Mommy, let's go. Because she knows I'm going to stand there and I'm going to talk. I'm going to give advice about weight loss. I'm going to give advice about staying in shape. If someone is having an event, they would, Georgette, what should I do? I need to call you up. And I would give them, oh, you just need to do this. It's not hard. So I knew that I love talking to people and I like giving advice. And so what I did, I took a life coaching course and I got certified at the end of last year, but I did nothing with it. Yeah. And so compassion now leads to passion, and that passion leads into your purpose, because let's go back into compassion again real briefly and real quickly. Compassion is where you're now coming from your hurt and your pain and what you have suffered from, and you now want to use that to help others because you're compassionate. Yeah? You don't want others to go into being an addict because you've been there. You want to help others. It's where you've been abused as a wife or even as a kid. Yeah, I hear Tyler Perry speaks about how he was, how his father used to abuse his mother and stuff, and that became his journey. You know, where he went and he did the plays and different things. Just from that, it becomes your passion through compassion, and as you help others because of the compassion, it becomes your purpose, because you're serving. It leads to service. And through service, it becomes a purpose. My gosh, that's powerful. Guys, if you don't know what your purpose in life is, play this again. Listen to it again. And guys, please share the video. I know that there's a lot of people who needs to see this today. Please share, please share. Leave a comment below. What are you passionate about? And is it serving a purpose in the world? That's the question. Then it's not a purpose. It is just a passion. Then you now need to go into learning more of how you can be of service to others. I've heard, and I'm going to end this right now. I've heard my mentor, Wesley Virgin, says this. You want to become a millionaire? You want to become very rich? You want to become a billionaire? Serve 1 million people. Serve 1 billion people. I never understood it, you know. I understood it as I progress on my journey, and I too have found my purpose. Yeah? So guys, that's it. In finding your purpose, you have to go through compassion and passion. Sometimes you don't know what you're passionate about, but think about what is bothering you. What is your pain? What have you been through in your life that you would not like to see another human being go through? You can be of service through compassion, and find your passion and find your purpose. Guys, that's how you find your purpose in this world, and be of service. Be of service to others, and that is your purpose. Guys, it's your girl Georgette. If you haven't subscribed, I'm sure you love the video, guys, because I enjoy making it for you. I really, really do enjoy making videos for you. This is my passion. This is my purpose. I really enjoy making these videos for you. Please share the video, guys. Come on now, interact with me. What is your passion? Do you believe your passion leads to your purpose? Leave that answer below in the comment box. I love to interact. You will see that I do respond to all comments. And I'm going to leave in the link below. This will help you to find your purpose. I promise you, there is a unique sound that you listen to, and it opens you up to being curious, and it will bring curiosity to you to find out what your purpose in life. Listen to that unique and unusual sound, the link below. I'm leaving it for you guys. Click on it and find your purpose. I'm sending you a whole lot of love and light. Put your notification on. It's your girl, Georgette. I'm out of here. Mwah. Bye-bye. See you on the videos popping up. Keep watching.